So I had a lot of requests on VLOOKUP, and we are going to look at VLOOKUP today. And we are going to start with the simplest of all, that is when we have all the data in the same sheet. Before we even proceed, let's have some context. These are the employees of this company, and we have several of them whose salaries are still pending. So I want to grab their salary and their emails so that we are going to send the checks directly to their emails. So this is where we go directly to VLOOKUP. So to start off, a formula always start with is equals to, and then type the word VLOOKUP. It will pop up, hit on tab to auto populate, and then the lookup value will be, we are going to use this name. So you highlight the name that you want to look, put a comma, and then you tell the VLOOKUP where to look for those names. For me, it will be the whole of this area up to that point, then comma. Basically, after it finds the name, what do you want VLOOKUP to do? For me, I want it to grab the salary and paste it there. The index of this column will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the fourth column, so I put 4, then comma, and then do we want an approximate match or an exact match? An approximation will be maybe the name is altered a little bit, and maybe you want to grab that, but in this case I want exactly the name. So you type on force, or you just scroll down and hit on tab, you cross the brackets, you hit on enter, and you see it went to the list, look for Isabella, and then it found Isabella, and it grabbed the salary. So if we drag this formula down, it will grab the salaries in each and every of those cells. So for the email, exactly the same way, is equals to VLOOKUP, lookup value, still we are going to use the name, comma, and then the table. I like the whole table where you know the name will appear, then you put a comma, then the column index. This time will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth column. So we want an exact match. Then we cross the bracket like that, and we hit on enter. So drag the formula down, check whether it was accurate. Let's take for example Ruby May. So Ruby May is 19. So the salary is 55, and her email is exactly this one, so they are accurate. So this is one of the simplest use of VLOOKUP. That is when you have all the data in the same sheet.